Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about question answers of our second topic, that is odd one in. In the previous period, we have done this topic, odd one in. So we are discussing these question answers. Now, you know, Malti and Rima read aloud the conversation in the story turn by turn. Write about Malti and Rima using the following points: appearance, Malti's appearance, Rima's, their studies, singing, attitude to the others, weak points of the Malti and Rima. We have to write down. So first, we will discuss it. See. See, Malti, his appearance is simple, oily hair, long skirt. And Rima, she is stylish. Studies, Malti is studious, intelligent, scored well in studies. She was good at maths. And Rima, she was also good in studies. Then in singing, she had a melodious and well-trained voice. She wins the first prize in the inter-house competition. What about Rima? Rima, yes. Malti and Rima, their attitude. Malti's voice is very melodious, and Rima, she was also good at singing and wins the first prize on her own category in inter-house singing competition. Okay, so both Malti and Rima, they are good in singing. Attitude towards others. Malti, she is very helpful and respectful, ready to learn from others and improve. And about Rima, she is very rude, she is very arrogant, unkind behavior. She didn't like to be corrected. So they are opposite to each other. And weak points, both. Malti's English was very poor. Her English was very poor. And about Rima, she was weak in Hindi. She was jealous of others and thought others to be inferior to her. Okay, this is her attitude, or this is her weak point. Weak point. See, use details from the story and your own imagination when you write about descriptions. Imagine that you are Malti. Write about any one event in the story from Malti's point of view. From this story that we have done, you have to imagine that you are Malti. And you have to write any one event from the Malti's point of view, from the story. Okay. Now, next question is, how do you behave with your classmate? Write about your attitude and behavior in appropriate column. 3 columns are given: always, sometimes, and never. See, some actions are given. Ask others for help. You are asking always others for help, or sometime, or never. You have to write down. Refuse help. You are always refusing help, or sometimes you are refusing help, or never. You are never refused help. Judge others by their appearance. Judge others by their appearance. You are always judging others by their appearance, or sometimes judging others by their appearance, or never. You have to write down. Now, judge others by their accent. Judge others by their accent. So, this you have to, these 3 points you have to write down. Okay. Now, talk about your strength, your weakness, the changes that you would like to do in yourself, 3 of each. See, for example, I'll tell you. You have to write about your strength. What is my biggest strength? What is my biggest strength? So I'll tell you first. So you want to write down. My biggest strength is my willingness to learn something new, to improve. I'm very polite and humble. I'm also a good listener, due to which I make friends very easily. Okay, this is my biggest strength. Now you want to write about your strength. Now, what is my weakness? My weakness, sometimes I'm very lazy. Okay, my weakness is sometimes I'm very lazy. See, I have a phobia of speaking or anything, or doing anything. I have a phobia of singing, dancing, or you can write anything. That is your weakness. The changes that you would like to do in yourself. Which changes you want to do, like in yourself? For example, sometimes I am very lazy. So I just want to get rid of my laziness. That thing I have to change in myself. So what about you? You want to write down. Okay. So up to this we are done. Okay, question answers we have discussed. Just you write down in your copy in the topic or one in. Okay. Okay.